organization, what they will be having an objective. When you are running a business, what is your objective?
Profit motive.
Profit motive. But I am running my organization with not having a profit motive. My only motive is to give a service to the public, to the human beings. That is my motive. So that organization is known as non-profit organization. Whether we are having this, the non-profit organization is reality, means we are having few, but organization named as NPO is also running on profit basis. That is another thing. Okay. But legally, that is a non-profit organization. Okay. So, when an organization which is not having a motive of non-profit and providing a valuable service, that organization is known as non-profit organization. For that, then I wonder, when organization is not having a profit, whether we need to prepare profit and loss account to them?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So what I can prepare? How I should give the trial balance and everything? How I should move with the financial statements? As they are also having income, they are also having expenses. So I should know what is that. How well the organization is going, performing. I should know which is the best way to know how it is going or how it is performing, by preparing a financial statements. Correct. But when there is no profit, there is no need for preparing profit and loss account. How I'm going to present it? Okay. So for that, we are having three statements we are having. One is receipts and payment account. Another one is income and expenditure account. Another is capital balance sheet account. That is, balance sheet is general what we are doing it. Okay. So what is this receipts and payment account and income and expenditure account? Your book has given pages wise explanation, but I have given only the main points which are useful to understand and do sums. Okay. This is the main point. You have to understand it. Okay. So what is this receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account? So I'm going to say, you're explained in the differential form. Okay. So in receipts and payment account, that is nothing but a bank account. I will prepare a bank account. Normally in bank account, what you will do? What is the rule? It is a debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Then bank is the real account. Okay. In bank, debit what comes in and credit what goes out is based on cash basis. That is related to this period. Okay. I means we will be relating to a period. Okay. The last year due is being paid this year, means we will record it in the receipts and payment account. So in the transactions which are recording in the receipts and payment account can be related to any period. Either it may be a future or this past, whatever. But when I paid today, I will record it. That's it. Whatever I paid, I will record it. Whatever I received, I will record it. That is cash basis. Okay. That is nothing but a summary of bank account. So always bank account will have opening balance and closing balance. This is your receipt and payment account. What is then the income and expenditure account? That is nothing but your P&L account. What is the basis of P&L? Debit all expenses, credit all income. Okay, that is the basis of the P&L thing. So same thing you will be recording. In this you will record your outstanding and prepaid also separately. Okay. Now, for example, there is a salary outstanding to be paid to some trustee or some persons engaged in the non-profit organization. 1,000 rupees you have paid, another 500 rupees is outstanding. What you will do? Salaries account debit to outstanding salary account. Okay. So this will be, this outstanding salary account will be then transferred to P&L. Here it will be transferred to income statement. Income and expenditure account. That's it. Okay. But when it is paid, now I will be recording in the receipts and payment account as a salary only 1,000 rupees because that is only paid, not 500. Whatever is paid only recorded, whatever is received is only recorded in the receipts and payment account. Okay, so simply I'll be preparing a bank account, I'll be preparing a P&L account, I'll be preparing a balance sheet. That's it. There is no trading account. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. You are telling that income and expenditure is a form of a P&L account, then there will be a balancing item is known as a net profit. What shall I do now? You should term it as surplus. If it is a net loss, means you should term it as deficit. When you are going to present your answer in for NGO, NPO, you should be very careful in writing that net profit. They will straight away cancel your answer and give 0 marks. You should present it as surplus or a deficit. Okay. Next, one of the major source of your income is in non-profit organization is subscriptions. What is this subscriptions? Now I'm giving a non-profit organization, means that is example, we are having club, association. So in that members will be giving a membership fees or an entrance fees or providing a subscriptions to that. Okay. So in your library, if you're a member in a library, means you'll be providing subscriptions to that library, right? So subscription may be of a capital nature or a revenue nature. Capital nature means non-recurring, revenue nature means it is a recurring in thing. Okay, when it is a recurring in thing, sorry guys. So this whenever it is a recurring thing, it will be shown as an credited item of income and expenditure account, and it is if it is in a one time and capital nature means it will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet item. Okay. So I am going to prepare a simple sum. There are 2 sums in your book, which is very simple. So we'll finish it off that. Okay. 1 minute. I will connect the charger. Illustration 13. Okay. When I receive subscription, what is your journal entry? When I receive journal subscription, what is your journal entry? That is bank account debit to subscription account. Correct? So this subscription is having a credit balance. Okay. When I'm having a arrear. Arrear means something has to come in. I am not yet received now, till now, but it has to come. That is arrear. So arrear account, debit, that is accrued income account, debit to subscription. Okay. When I receive in advance something, that is subscription account debit to advance. So you know these journal entries now. Normal journal entries. Okay, for an income. Like that you can think of it. Okay. So in your book, they have given some. On 31st March 2021, a club had subscription in arrears of 28,000 and in advance 4,000. So there is some opening balance. During the year ended 31st March 2022, the club received a subscription of 2,08,000, of which 12,500 was related to 2022 to 23. On 31st March 2021, there were 5 members. This is not 2021, this is 2022. There were 5 members. Please change it. 5 members who are not paid a subscription for 2022, that is 1,600 per person. Prepare subscription account. Now I am in the subscription account GL. Okay. When I am having an arrear, opening arrear balance, 28,000. What is this arrear? It is in a debit side. So in debit, I will be providing 28,000 opening balance arrear. When I am having an advance opening balance, advance is in the credit side. So I'll be providing credit opening balance advance 4,000. Okay. During the year, the club received subscription of 2,08,000 rupees. So I have received it. When received bank to subscription, under bank in credit side, I will provide bank. Instead of bank, you should use a word receipts and payment account. Okay. 2,08,000. Out of this 2,08,000 is 12,500 is related to the next period. Then it is the closing advance balance. When opening is in the credit side, closing should be in the debit side. So that next year opening will be in the credit side. Clear? In the same way, there is some 5 members in the closing period. They have not yet paid. That is an arrear. So 5 members into 1,600, 8,000 will be the closing balance of the arrear. Okay. When I balance this account, I will give a balancing figure that is amounted to 1,79,500. This is known as income and expenditure account. This will be credited to your income and expenditure account, basically. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In a same concept, illustration 14. There is nothing changed. Okay. A city sport club of Surat has received 50,000 towards subscription and subscription for 2020 to 2021 unpaid. On 1/4/2021 were 5,000. Subscription paid in advance on 31/3/2021 were 1,250 and the same was 1,000. The subscription for 2021 to 2022 unpaid were 2,250. Show a statement they have asked. So in your book, they have given in a statement wise. But I have prepared a ledger wise. This ledger you can prepare and convert this into a statement. That's it. Okay. When I am not comfortable in preparing in a statement wise directly. So I'll prepare this and then I will convert that into a statement. Okay. So there is a city club has received during the 2021 and 2022 50,000 as subscription. So I have received 50,000. That is nothing but receipts and payment account 50,000. Okay. Subscription for 2020 to 2021 unpaid means arrear. That is opening arrear. That is 5,000. Next. Subscription paid in advance. Closing 31/2021. That is closing advances 1,000. Wait. Okay, it is opening advance. 2021 is opening, 2022 is closing. Okay, so 1,250 is opening. 2022, the same was having a balance of 1,000 rupees closing balance. Clear? Subscription unpaid during the year ended 31/3/2022 is 2,250. I have given the closing here. Next, show the statement. So what is the balance? 47,500. Now this has been shown in a statement that subscription received 50,000. Okay. You will be adding your opening advance and closing arrear. Subtract your opening balance and closing balance. The same answer will receive you. Same only they have also given it again. Okay. Nothing much. Okay. Clear?